We're about to head off today to do Blue Tier and Atlas. It's a shuttle bus that's going to take us to the top of the hills, and then it's an all-day ride back to Derby. It's such a cool little town. Totally dedicated to mountain biking. Beautiful new bike.
I'll get the idea.
These are some of the rides. Start of the Blue Tier. So this is where we go down on Saturday, guys. We'll see you down at the pub. Wow. Bought knee pads today. I've just had my first stack and I came off, smashed down onto an elbow. So I'm going to buy elbow pads this afternoon. Gosh. We made it. What a cool little pub. So we've just biked about 20 something Ks. It's called the Blue Tier. We're supposed to do another one, but we're not because we're too tired.
I got that tricky berm. No, you went. Or something like that, or rocky berm. I don't know. I just thought you were still behind me. Oh, you know what thought did?
Stuck a feather in its flat and thought it'd grow a chook.
How did we get in trouble? I know, but you've been in trouble for the same thing.
Oh, sorry, I was just getting... Do the Bay of Fires, they said. Be fun, they said.